In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your site in Squarespace. We'll walk through creating a clean export of your site content, explain what that file includes, and show you where to grab commerce data like orders when you need it. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to export. You'll land on the site dashboard. From the main menu, head into Settings. This is where all of your site level controls live, including tools for moving content in and out of Squarespace. Inside Settings, look for the Website section and choose Import and Export Content. On this screen, click Export. You'll see a few format options. Choose WordPress. Even if you aren't migrating to WordPress, this option is the standard way Squarespace packages your content for download. It generates a single .xml file that many platforms can read, and it also works well as a portable backup. Here's what to expect from that export. It includes pages, blog posts, basic metadata like categories and tags, and many common content blocks. It does not include your site's template, design styles, or custom CSS, and some advanced blocks or third-party integrations may not be captured. Images are typically referenced in the file, but the theme and exact layout will not transfer. That's normal for a content-only export. If your site has more than one blog, you'll be prompted to choose which blog to export. Make your selection and continue. The export will begin processing. Depending on the size of your site, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. You can stay on the page while it runs. You'll see a status indicator until it's finished. When the export is ready, a download link will appear. Click download to save the .xml file to your computer. I recommend putting it in a clearly labeled folder, adding today's date to the file name, and keeping a backup copy in cloud storage so it's easy to find later. If you also need commerce data such as orders, open the commerce area of your site. Depending on your navigation, this may appear as commerce or selling. Go to orders, then use export or download CSV. That CSV file opens in any spreadsheet app and is ideal for record keeping, accounting, or importing into other systems. Keep in mind that commerce exports are separate from the site content.xml, so you'll want both files if you're preserving your full data set. That's it. You've exported your Squarespace site content, and you know where to grab your orders as a CSV. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.